What's up guys? So I have an LG Smart TV remote over here, and in this video I will show you how to fix any problem with your LG Smart TV remote. So if you have some part of the remote that is not working, or the power button over here does not just work in your case, then this video is for you. Today I am going to show you some tips that might help you fix this remote, and if they work out for you, then you probably don't need to go spend some money getting a new LG remote anymore. But before we dive into the video, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one. Now, first things first, if the problem with your LG Smart TV remote is that the power button is not working, then you probably just want to go to your TV and try to turn on the TV with the power button on the body of the TV. So you just want to go and try it out, and if it works, then obviously the problem is from the remote. But if it doesn't work, then there is a high chance that the problem is not from the remote, but from the TV. Now, after you must have confirmed that, one of the common issues that actually stops LG Smart TV remote from working is a rust in the battery area. So to fix this, what you want to do is to go and open your LG Smart TV remote like so. You want to go ahead and remove the batteries on the remote control. Now, mind you, if your batteries are actually old, you want to make sure that you actually change the batteries, because sometimes these batteries actually drain so fast. So you want to make sure you get a new battery and try them on your LG TV remote to be sure that the problem is not actually the batteries. Now, after you must have removed the batteries, you want to go over to the springs that actually passes power from the battery inside of the remote and be sure that there is actually no rust in any of the springs here. Now, trust me, this is actually caused by a bad battery. So if your battery has stayed in your remote for a very long time, it might cause all of the springs here to start to rust. And when it starts to rust, then current cannot flow from the battery down to the remote. So if you check your remote and you see that there is a rust in the battery area, one thing you want to do is to basically look for a spring like this one, and just try and sharpen the rusty parts of the remote control. Just, go about sharpening all the rusty parts of the remote control and make sure that they are clean again. Now, after you must have done that, you want to go ahead and insert your batteries again. Make sure you insert them properly. You want to go ahead and install the batteries again. Close up the battery cover like so. And then you want to go ahead and try controlling the TV with the LG Smart TV remote again. Trust me, majority of the time, this is actually the issue. Now, if the first step did not work out for you, another thing you want to try and do is to basically reset the TV remote. Now, sometimes there might be too much supply of power in your LG TV remote, and it might just cause the remote not to be able to work properly again. So what you want to do is to basically remove the batteries like so. And what you want to do is to long press on this power button for about 1 or 2 minutes. Just press it constantly for about 1 or 2 minutes. And after doing that, you want to go ahead and put back your batteries like so. Cover back the remote control. And then you want to go ahead and try controlling your TV again. Trust me, if the first step did not work out for you, then there is a high chance that this is actually going to work out for you. The final solution I will be providing to you today is actually caused by dust inside of your LG Smart TV remote. Now, for you to actually fix this, what you want to do is to make sure you remove the battery again. Just remove the batteries in the remote control. Now, you want to go ahead and randomly press on all of the buttons on the remote control. So just randomly press on these buttons, because sometimes it might just be dust that is causing the remote control not to work properly. So you want to just go ahead and randomly press on all of these remotes, all of the buttons like so, for about say 2 to 3 minutes. And once you're done, you want to go ahead and blow in air in all of the buttons of the remote control, and also try, if you have a dryer or something, make sure you blow in air inside of the remote control to pull out all of the dust that is probably stopping the remote control from working. And after doing that, you want to go ahead and insert your batteries again like so, and then try controlling the TV with the remote control. But this time, you don't want to just control the TV with the remote control. You want to go ahead and try to tilt the batteries, randomly tilt the batteries and try controlling the remote. Just you try to tilt it, and then control the remote and that might actually work out for you. Finally, if all of these tips did not work out for you, then you probably want to get a new LG Smart TV remote, but I'm pretty sure that all of the tips I have shared here today will probably fix the remote control for 50% of persons that are going to watch this video. So if any of the tips actually worked out for you, then you want to make sure you drop a comment on the comment section. Let me know how it actually worked out for you, and you might also be able to help other persons as well. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.